Alright guys, we're going to give this thing an oil change. Just jump down here, I think this is a 14mm. Alright, we'll just let that drain out. Alright, now I've bought a little, I've got a set of oil filter sockets. I might have actually shown it in another video or earlier on. I've recorded it. That's the socket for this one. So basically I've just cracked it. Loosen that off. That's how long since that motor's run. Hardly had any in there. Drained right through. Alright, now I'm pretty sure these take, I think it's about 2.2 litres. I'll just grab this oil filter. Now he assured me that this was the same. Yeah, they look pretty much. Yep. Now, crack that. Ooh. I was just about to go and get a bit of, I was just about to go and grab a bit of grease or something to put on the O-ring, but it's come pre-done, which is good. I've already got some lubricant on it. Oh, geez, that got my finger. I just do them up hand tight. You don't need to go swinging on them. All right. I'll just go fishing for the sump plug in. Yeah. I could see there was no O-ring on that. So I just put my hand up there and picked it out. There's the O-ring. Just give this a bit more of a clean. Yeah, there is a torque setting for these too, you can look it up. I think it's about £25 from memory. I've done this for years. But anyway, I'll just nip it up. That's it. Ready to put the oil in. Alright, now what I do, guys, I'm pretty sure these are 2.2 litres from memory. I just use these decor bottles. Hang on, I'll just bring this camera around. Alright, that's where you fill it here. There's an easy way of doing it. You could just pour it in. That wasn't me, that was the bottle. Alright, just come over here. Alright, all we're doing here is use one of these bottles. Alright, there's a second litre. Alright, back over here. Just one sec, guys, I'll just... I'm not sure if it was written on the engines, the amount that goes in it, or that's the spark plug down in there. It tells you what spark plugs to put in it. I thought there was somewhere else on here that told you how much oil it took. I could be wrong. Nothing on that. I think these 50s are only 2.2 though. I think it might be, it could only be 2 if you don't change the oil filter or something, but you always change the oil filter. Right, that's 2 litres in it. It's not sitting real straight either. That's about there at the moment. That motor probably needs to come up a little, get it level. One sec. There's a switch on this one. Alright guys, it helps if we turn the power on. So basically just get your motor level. Just turn that power back off while I'm working on it. Just get your engine level, have another look. That looks spot on at the moment. Now when you start it, you've got to fill the oil filter. So I'll put another 200 ml in. I can remember how much this motor holds, but funny, I can't remember how much the 80 horsepower holds, oil-wise. Alright. I think I've got that camera on the right angle for you guys. Yep. Alright, I'm just cloning this cap. Screw that back on. Alright, well that's the oil changed. And the oil filter. So we're almost ready to give it a kick in the guts. I could fire it up without the leg on. I don't know whether we'll be able to start it off this auxiliary battery. I've got just one sec, I'll turn that camera up towards me. I've actually got a circuit breaker in this battery. This is the battery I use for pulling the boat out on the winch. So it's not really set up to be a starter battery as such. We might fire it up, we'll see what happens. You never know. Don't have a go. Alright, well, yeah, that's what I thought. There, guys. There's another little headache. I noticed I had a bit of fuel around this before. This pump's gonna need a service. That's weeping a bit. Just check them screws. Oh. Well, there's one way to find out. Whether I've got enough, I might have enough power for that starter to engage. It is kicking over, but likes that engaged. Alright. That's all off. She doesn't have enough to fire it. It's a shame. It would have been nice to see if it started. One more. No. We're going to need to get a battery for it. Alright. She's ready to go. I'm going to have to look at getting this fuel pump serviced. I'm going to have to obviously buy a kit and redo it. I'd say the rubber's perished inside. Alright guys, I just thought I'd show you where the capacity is. It's actually on this top cover, which wasn't on when I was doing the oil change. That's where I'd seen it. I sort of remembered while I was doing a bit of editing, so I thought I'd come out here to the workshop and just show you that. I'll give you a look at the other 80 horsepower in a minute also. I'll just throw a bit of footage in on that and give you the oil capacity of that. Alright guys, here's the 84 stroke. There's all the readings here on that. Down in here, which I only just caught out of the corner of my eye. Down in here is your spark plug sizes, if you need to buy a set. And the gap, see there, 44 thou gap on those. Just having a look around here where there's any other things they show you. I've only just quickly pulled the cover off. It doesn't look like any other readings I can show you. Doesn't look like they're showing any tappet cover settings for the valves, but all right, leave it at that. Down in here gives you your spark plug numbers, type of spark plug, also your gap on your spark plug, which looks like 36 thou of an inch. And on here, that'll be your intake and exhaust clearances. You've got to use feeler gauges obviously for that. That's something that a lot of blokes probably never really done. But anyway, I've done tappets on cars before and engines. All right, thanks for watching the video. I'll just throw in that bit of footage from the other engine with the oil capacities. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also give us a thumbs up on the like if you like the videos. That helps the channel to also. All right guys, thanks for watching. See yous later. Bye.